So what the heck? We are going to finish up the bodice because it is taking way too long. And it's gonna look beautiful. Then we'll start on the skirt and see how far we get. Let's get started. It's kind of nice sewing over here. I don't usually do that. I have like my desk in other places, but it's got wheels so I can roll it around wherever I like in my teeny tiny office. Today, I'm just gonna start by stitching down everything I pinned, and then we will get started on putting the lining in. Ever so gentle. Oh, gotta move the tea. Let's move. I need little scissors. I don't have any. Oh, I can probably take that tea bag out. Let me do that real quick. Yay! Bum, 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 bum. Trim, triminy, trim, triminy, trim all the threads. It's lining time. Nope, I hate it. Arrgh, so tangled. I'm just pinning all this in place at the top, and then I'll sew it, and then I'll pin the bottom. I've pinned the lining to the entire front, except for these last couple, which I'm gonna do now. And I'm not even gonna bother with the bottom. I might do some basting there because eventually I'm gonna sew this to the skirt. I wonder how much this dress originally cost. There wasn't a brand name listed. No tags or anything in the dress. I wonder if I can find it based on the original picture.
I did a little bit of digging on wedding dress costs in the 1980s, and what I found was not extremely helpful. I'm pretty sure that this dress was a Jessica McClintock gun sacks dress based on the lace. I matched it up with exact lace patterns for some of those dresses from the 1980s, and the style and fit of them are also extremely similar, but I'm guessing it would have been, you know, $100 to a couple $100. If you know better, please put it in the comments because I'm actually really interested. The internet was not helpful.
Yay! It's all pinned. Woo! I'm actually gonna move my tea because the idea of spilling bright purple tea on this dress bodice is really upsetting. Yay! The lining is on. I've extended my table, which is a super fun part of this sewing desk. It's really neat because I'm gonna need more table to work on this skirt. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with this skirt. I think I might shorten it and not have the train. It's a lot. I'm actually going to take this last layer off and just have it be a little bit shorter. I mean, I kind of like having that layer. Just that the lace is kind of a mess. It's all falling apart. New plan, I'm gonna shorten it to where the dress actually, the second to last layer ends up. So I'm gonna pin it in place. How far does this go down? 5 inches. So I'm gonna take off like 3 inches. Shift that over. And then I'll end up fixing some of the lace that's falling apart. And by falling apart, I mean the lace that's coming undone. I'm gonna make it look prettier and not in disrepair. Let's start cutting. I'm gonna remove all these pins and hem the bottom. That way it's one less thing to deal with. After that, we're gonna put it on Eloise and get a better assessment of what we're looking at. Ooh, I hate these glued on bits. They're not pretty. I hemmed the bottom and then I went through and fixed the bits of lace that were coming off or had threads that were just like barely holding it on and just recovered it. I'm not a big fan of these glued on glittery pieces, but I've tried to get them off and they haven't come off, and I wanted to keep the lace here, so I guess they're staying. The next step is to hem the rest of the bottom. Ew, I made such a mess. Oh, that feels nice on my back. Oh. Sewing, great hobby. Super fun, good for your brain. Not the best on your back. So now we have some functional, not ripped dress. I cracked my nail. Hold on, I'll be right back. Nail crisis averted. Cute thoughts, cute thoughts, cute thoughts. Please end up cute. When this is done, I'm gonna put this dress out. I'm gonna stab myself 10 times just this project, just this day alone. Ugh. Is it the same on the other side? No. I've bent a lot of pins in this project. What I could do is set it up so that the bottom bustle's really cute. I love a good bustle. And isn't that adorable? That's definitely where I would bustle it. I'm gonna sew the skirt in these specific sections, then we're gonna attach the top to the bottom and then sew in the zipper. And then begins the additional details. I'm thinking about sewing on some pearls.
My GoPro died because I don't have an external charger, it's all attached, but I added a turquoise silk belt and I am hand stitching it on right now. The dress still has a few finishing touches I need to complete, odds and ends and bits and pieces here and there. And next time we're gonna get all that done and we're gonna try on the dress. I'm super excited. I hope it fits. It might be a little bit of a squeeze. We'll see. In any event, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Also, my partner told me that I should tell you to ring the bell, which apparently is a thing that you're supposed to do for YouTube if you want to get notified when I put a new video up. Have a nice rest of your day.